take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit.
First time Prabhupada comes from America to India, he comes to Vrindavan for taking treatment. When he comes, he lands up in the late night, takes an auto to go to, in Delhi only there's some place. And then after reaching the destination, the auto wala is demanding more money. The common Mr. 40 is asking 50 or 60 or whatever. Prabhupada doesn't give. And you can't believe, and Kitanananda was with him, Prabhupada. And Kitanananda is watching, what will Prabhupada do? And that fellow is not giving money back. He gave some 50 rupee note and he's keeping and then he's going away. Prabhupada doesn't. He argues. There's a big argument between auto driver. Prabhupada is not leaving. And finally that auto wala gives back that balance money and then Prabhupada goes away. Actually, that's the first time Prabhupada spends that 40 rupees. What he carried to America, that 40 rupees he is using for this auto. He has spent in India. Not even 1 paisa Prabhupada used to leave to these auto walas or anybody. You agreed for 10 rupees, 20 rupees, only that much, that's all. He will not allow any cheating. This is Krishna's money. Why should I give it to him? This is Krishna's money. This is humility. Prabhupada is very humbly, he is shouting and negotiating. He is very humble. So we should not allow exploitation to be coming to us.